Due to heavy outpour of rain in the last few days, a 13-year-old boy died on the spot while traveling in an auto rickshaw bearing the registration number ML10A9065 along with two passengers and the driver when a huge tree on the roadside fell and crushed the auto rickshaw, killing the boy on the spot and the other three men were severely injured. The tragic incident occurred today at Panitola village of Byrnihat in Ripoy district. According to reports, the other passengers who were severely injured in the tragic incident include the driver Prakash Sangma, 40, Lewis Aim, 22, and Stilful Marwing, 31 years old. The injured were rushed to Byrnihat PHC for immediate medical treatment.